Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit roll. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, cut 1/2 cup of cold, unsalted butter into small cubes and work it into the dry ingredients until crumbly. Finally, gradually add 3/4 cup of cold milk, mixing until a soft dough forms. Once your dough is ready, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it gently for about 30 seconds, just until it comes together. Then, roll the dough into a rectangle, aiming for about 1/2 inch thick and roughly 8 by 12 inches. A light brush of melted butter or an egg wash on the surface will add a lovely golden finish. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure a perfect rise. Carefully transfer your biscuit roll to a baking sheet. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and the biscuits are cooked through. Allow them to cool slightly on a wire rack before enjoying. Your delicious biscuit roll is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm with a dollop of butter, a spoonful of your favorite jam, or any topping you desire. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container to keep them fresh for up to 2 days. Also, for easy meal prep and other great deals, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.